Why do I choose Serbia? Because she's different. I fell in love with her at first sight, and it's a love that lasts. I choose her distinctiveness, the strength of her character, her willingness to be herself no matter what. I choose her vastness that relaxes me, her tender touches. Openness that invites me to an adventure. Calmness that pleases me. All her hidden treasures. Heights that lift me up. Freshness that she brings me. I choose her history that inspires me. Her pride in what she really is. Ancient memories that I find at every step. I choose her breathtaking sights. Her people who instantly become my friends and my best guides. Safety I feel when I'm here. Her untrodden roads. New experiences. I choose her natural beauty that always brings a smile to my face. Her hospitality, colors, smells, tastes. I choose places where I can discover all her secrets. I choose to get attached to her, and I always come back. I choose from my heart. I choose Serbia.